one of the biggest days in the Irish sporting life and the cultural life of Ireland. The free is to be taken out by Mike Frank Russell. Colin Coach Cooper waiting for the ball. He's got a lovely pass away.
Micheal, it's the time of year when you might be thinking about buying a calendar. Well, tá féilear áling déanta ríis ag éimean Coil agus Raymond ó Ciaráin. Tá griangrafana áling ann agus teachs as Gaeilge chomá. All proceeds will go to the Peter McVerry Trust for the Homeless. Last year's calendar raised €12,000. If we all spread the word, we might raise more again this year. What a wonderful thing that would be, to support those that need our help this winter. Gudi go gastar a chéile sin ríis, ámúr á vinnig.
Picked up by Jerry O'Connor and the first test of the centre-back John Tennyson, and he's now engaging in a shouldering match, and that's a foolish thing for a man that was getting treatment for the shoulder all the week. Pressure as he poked the ball out the field, and there to pick it up is Henry Shefflin. Henry Shefflin inside the 45 from out the wing. What a majestic John O'Connor down toward the goal, locked inside by Dearman, held inside again, struck it by Aidan Fogarty. It's a goal from Kilkenny by Aidan Fogarty there. He snapped it up, and now it's 1-7 to Kilkenny and 7 points to go. As I said, we have listeners all over the world, and we have listeners at home as well, and one is Nellie O'Connor from Blarney, 95 years of age. She attended the Thunder Lightning final of 1939. Billy O'Dwyer, he gets it out to John Gardner. Gardner is 50. Cork hasn't finished yet. Cork hasn't had it. Trying to get inside.